Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie and I'm the Organic Esthetician. So, as requested today, we are doing a neck tutorial using the NuFace Trinity device. Let's just jump right in. Alright, so we are going to do a NuFace neck treatment today. I'm filming this just after doing the eye and lip treatment posts, so if you watched that already, I kind of talked about how I prep my skin. If you haven't, pop over and watch that after you watch this tutorial. So ultimately, you just want to work on clean skin, nothing on it. You are going to use a conductivity gel. I love using aloe. I do an organic aloe vera. I also really like colloidal silver. Both of those you can get on Amazon, and I'll link those down below. I also have a whole post on conductivity gels if you are so inclined to watch that. All right, so we are going to do a liberal application of gel. I'm going to do it from the base of my neck to the jawline and just above. I'm just going to work on this right side. So just make sure it's everywhere. Okay, the big thing to know about doing a neck treatment is that you are not going to use your NuFace device right here down the center, where your Adam's apple is, your trachea, whatever you want to call this. No microcurrent here. Don't do it. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. The other thing that you're going to want to not do is split the jaw. So never are you going to put one ball below and one ball above the jawline. It can get a little weird, especially if you have any fat pockets down here underneath the jaw. It can get a little funky. So imaginary line here and here. All right, so we're gonna turn it on. I turn my device all the way up, put it on the setting that you feel comfortable with. And so we are going to start by doing drags from the center out. And you're just kind of hold the device back toward the side of your neck, where you're almost pulling the skin back a little bit. Not super firm pressure, but pressure enough that you can feel a little bit of movement with the skin or with the muscle. Here we are. And so I'm going to do 3 passes per section, and I break up the neck into 3 sections. I always lose count when I'm doing this, so I think this is 3. And last one, I'm gonna do 3 passes here. And so I'm kind of just at the base, like where my head meets my neck, just underneath my jaw. And I'm moving it just outside the center, where we don't want to be, out to the neck. And back here, you can really hold it back kind of to this line, like make an imaginary line right behind your ear, down your neck. That's where you're gonna drag to. The next way you can do it is just doing holds. You can kind of lift and hold. And so it's medium pressure, pushing down and slightly lifting up. So like down and up. And you can do 3 holds per section, just like we've been doing with the rest of the face. That's kind of my magic number for NuFace. Then we're gonna do holds at the jaw. So you're just gonna kind of wanna lift up just underneath your jawline. Again, 3 beeps per section. Just holding right underneath that jawbone. This one I'm kind of lift up and out, almost like I'm lifting my neck behind my ear. Is this 3? I think so. And then lastly, if you are inclined, ooh, I need more gel. It was a little bitey. So if you ever get sensation, just apply more conductivity. You can also use a little bit of water to rehydrate the gel you already have. When I do this at the sink, that's what I tend to do. Because there's gel there, I just rehydrate it when it dries. All right, and so the last movement, we're just gonna do some light drags to a hold just behind the ear. Do it nice and slow, following just underneath your jawbone. And just a slight lift at the end. And that is your NuFace neck tutorial. Just like everything, you do it on one side, you're gonna wanna repeat it exactly on the other. And I find that whenever I do any of my NuFace, for continuity and so that I don't forget movements and that I actually duplicate one side to the other, I do it the same way every time. So figure out what that routine is for you and be consistent about it. If it's holds and then drags, do it. Try doing it the same way every time, and you'll find that you get a more consistent and better result. And it'll also prevent any lopsidedness that can happen if you do more on one side than you do on the other. One more thing, you can also use your Wrinkle Eraser LED attachment on the neck. I know that you can occasionally, I mean, some people have these lines that go across the neck. I know I have a girlfriend who, like, it's the bane of her existence. It's the only thing she ever sees, and it's nothing that anyone else ever notices. But just like with your face, you can totally do LED light on your neck. So I'll just show you really quick. I'm gonna pop off the microcurrent head. You just hold down this button, pop in the LED light. If only I could do that better. There we go. You're gonna turn it on. This, again, flush right on the skin, and you can just do sections. So you could do like, I would probably do 4 sections. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, don't hold it right in the center. It doesn't feel nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that covers your whole neck. So a treatment, turn this off after I blind myself with it. One treatment area consists of 3 minutes. The microcurrent device beeps every 5 seconds. When you put the LED head on the NuFace, it beeps every 3 minutes. And so, you know, that's a lot. 3, 6, 9, 12, 24. That's a lot of time to be spending on your neck. If you put it kind of in a general vicinity, the LED light does kind of disperse out. So it'll radiate the area around it, even if you're only putting it flush on one section. So then you're only doing 6 minutes for the neck. Makes it a little more, I don't know, manageable with a real person's life. So yeah. All right, guys, that was my NuFace neck tutorial. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully it was helpful and that I answered all of your questions. I would like to say thank you for suggesting to make this video in the first place. I got so many requests for eye and lip and neck tutorials that I made them. I love hearing from you. I love when you guys suggest videos you'd like to see in the future. So if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you like my channel, check out my Instagram. I post there almost every day, and I have unique content to that platform. I also have a website, theorganicesthetician.com, and on that website, I post blog posts occasionally, but what I do have is a list of all of my favorite products and devices. So if you are in the market for a new cleanser or serum, make sure you pop over there and peek at my list, because maybe you will find the thing that you've always been looking for. Who knows? All right, thank you so much for watching. The video after this is a Q&A for all of the questions that I get most frequently about the NuFace device. So if you have questions about the device, or if you're feeling like maybe yours is weird or it's not working the way that you thought it would, make sure you watch that video, because I'll probably answer it. And that's it. We'll see you soon. Bye.